Hey guys, it's Dr. Mike, and in today's video, I wanted to show you a powerful leg exercise that you can use not only to build strength in the legs, but also to address any muscular imbalances that you might be dealing with in the lower body. Now, traditionally, a popular exercise that is recommended is a Bulgarian split squat. This is the exercise where you have to elevate the leg behind you, bring it up on maybe a chair or even a bench, and you're squatting down. Now, although I think that particular exercise is phenomenal, works great, I often find that a lot of the folks that I see cannot perform that correctly. Why? Because one, it requires a lot of coordination and balance, and for two, it's very difficult to basically go on one leg and squat all the way down. If you can do that, kudos to you, keep working on that. I love the exercise, it's great for strength training. However, my goal, especially for this channel, is to find ways to empower you guys, to give you exercises that you can work on for all levels so that everyone knows how to truly build strength the right way. Whether you are an advanced athlete or whether you are a beginner, this particular exercise can work really well. When we set up, we're gonna need about a 2 or 3 inch elevation. I can do that by putting my foot up on a plate like this, like a 45 or a 55-pound plate, or even like a book at home that you have, something that's gonna elevate your foot up off the ground, and we're gonna get in that split stance position here. Now, from here, my feet are about still shoulder width apart, so I'm getting a good width between my feet, and what I'm going to do now is I'm gonna imagine just dropping the back leg straight down. So just as I would in a lunge, having my front foot elevated now is going to allow me to get a deeper stretch in the glute, and then I'm going to stand all the way back up at the top. The best part about this exercise, just like any lunge, I can hold on to something and really focus on isolating and controlling the movement on the way down and then coming all the way up. If you take your foot off and you see the difference between trying to lunge with the foot off and trying to lunge now with the foot up, you're gonna see you're gonna go a little deeper when your front foot is elevated. Like always, we wanna make sure that we're training the other side, and that'll give you a good demonstration of what your other leg is also doing. So we're gonna set up, switch our stance here. The front foot is gonna go up on whatever platform you have available. You're gonna place the back leg behind you, keeping your hips squared. You're gonna lower down slowly, drop the knee straight down, and then come straight back up. Not only can you use support here, but as you progress and get better with this, we can start to place kettlebells or dumbbells in our hands and start to really load this exercise. You're gonna feel not only the front leg working, but also the back leg working, especially our hip extensors, because they have to extend our body up to complete the full repetition there. Give that a try. Perform 2 to 3 sets, about 10 to 15 repetitions is probably going to be the sweet spot for you. And let me know in the comments below what you thought about this particular exercise.